Hey, back with another update. This time I want to take a look at Doge USDT on the daily on the Binance charts. The reason I go on the daily is because there is a possibility that Doge is in between two scenarios. If you look back at 2021, we had 5 waves to the upside, and we formed a peak in, I think it was in May. Yeah, May 21 at 73.74 cents. And so that peak marked the top of wave 5 and therefore a wave 1. And then after that, you would expect an ABC to form as a correction. And that ABC happened throughout the entire bear market with a C leg ending in June 2022 at around, what was it, 4 cents, 5 cents, give or take. Now, what you would expect afterwards is another impulsive wave to the upside, 5-wave structure. We haven't had those 5 impulsive waves to the upside. We had what appears to be a leading diagonal with wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, forming another top for wave 1. Okay, so this wave 1 leading diagonal completed. You expect an ABC to form, or should I say a correction to form for wave 2 to be completed. Now this wave, this ABC appears to have, I'm saying appears because there are signs that the correction may not be over despite the very strong liquidation in terms of volume, not so much in price swing, but in terms of volume that happened on the market on the 3rd of February. We know by experience, if you look at the past, every time we had those very strong volume liquidation, they tend to mark a bottom, a reversal. So we need to take that into consideration. There is a possibility that this ABC correction is complete, which in this case is not labeled an ABC, but a WXY. I'm going to put it like that so you can see it better. WXY. Now, if we are considering that the correction is over, then it's all well and good because the correction dipped below the 61.8%, close to the 70.2%. As you know, it's an area of inflection, so we could assume that correction is over and we should look to the upside for 5 waves to make our wave 3 in circle. Estimated target, we can do that. Estimated target, so if I take the beginning of wave 1, I take the top of wave 1, which is actually here, and I go to the bottom of wave 2 or wave Y of the WXY, then you could foresee a wave 3 at the 1.236 at 73 cents, which is, you guessed it, very close to the all-time high. I'm going to highlight it for future reference, should the price come here. And you can also look at the 1618 at 98 cents. So these two targets are reasonable enough for a wave 3. Now, the second option I have is that the correction is not over. And there is a possibility that we are going to form another X and a Z to form a WXYXZ. So something like this, WXYXZ. If you look at the price movement, the price behavior since February the 3rd, there is what appears to be a contracting triangle. And there was the very same structure forming after the liquidation we had on the 18th of December. If you look at this move from the top of wave B, there is a move down, a little retrace, and then we broke the low aggressively, and then the price went to consolidate into a triangle. And it's very similar to what happened here. At top of wave B, we have a move down, and then we break the low aggressively, we liquidate everybody, and the price consolidates. So should this theory, because it's only a theory, be correct, then you would expect the price to start forming a B wave for this X wave. And you would look for price to reach 61.8%, 70.2%, somewhere around there. So we could expect, once this triangle resolve, if it is a triangle, by the way, you can expect, so we have A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so you can expect two more swings, one up, one down, assuming this one is complete, before a push up towards the 61.8%, 70.2%. Okay, but that would be short-lived. I think that would be short-lived in this particular scenario, because you would still have to do a 3-wave to the downside for the Z part. Yeah, so the picture is not that obvious on Doge, and that's why I think it's important to look at the daily, so that you completely ignore the hype around the coin and everything that is happening with the Trump administration. Okay, so two alternative: either correction wave 2 is complete, WXY, and then we push up 5 waves to the upside towards the all-time high and above for wave 3 in circle, or correction is not over, and we will mimic what happened between the 21st of December 24 and at least the 7th of January. So we should expect a move up for the wave X. Okay, so that's it for the update on Doge. You take care. Bye-bye.